Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Michael at RBM Crypto. Just a quick video refresher today, guys, on how to quickly purchase Ethereum on an exchange and transfer it over to your Trezor Hardware Wallet on the new Trezor Desktop Suite. So as you guys can see, I'm currently on Mandala exchange right now. I have $900 of USDT. I'm just going to do a quick market buy of Ethereum here for demo purposes. I'm going to put in $100 and hit buy Ethereum. I've now purchased 0.024 Ethereum. I can go over to my wallet section, go to balances, and as you can see, the Ethereum is right there. I can go to withdraw, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to my Trezor Suite where I've unlocked my device, and I'm going to go to receive. I'm going to go to show full address. I'm going to confirm the address on my device, and then I'm going to copy the device address on my screen, and then I'd head back to the exchange. I'm going to paste my address in here, hit max, and then hit submit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to verify the transaction via my authenticator and email code. And that's it. I've now withdrawn the Ethereum that I've recently purchased, and now I can head back to our Trezor Suite and wait for the Ethereum to arrive. And as you guys can see, the Ethereum has reached my account, and now I can safely store it offline. And that's pretty much it. If I want to send the Ethereum back to the exchange or to any other address, I would just exit this page, go to send, paste in any address I want to send my Ethereum to, put the amount, it'll show the USD equivalent, choose the fee structure that I want, and then send. And that's pretty much it. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.